Alright guys, welcome back to Photographics Academy. Alright, so today we're going to be retouching this particular one right here in Kumoo. So let's see how fast we can be able to do this beauty retouching, and I have a very important news for you at the end of this video. So you might as well want to check it out. So the first thing I'm going to do on this one is that I'm going to try to add some contrast. So just using my S-curves, just like that, to bring in contrast into the image. So you see just this little stuff I did now, we're able to bring in serious contrast into the picture. Then I will, of course, take care of all the blemishes. With these 3 sliders, or rather 4 sliders, I think we have removed as much as we can. Then of course our matte, because I'm noticing too much highlight, wrinkles on forehead, her dark circle, and wrinkles around eye. Then let's also look at this cheek line. I don't think I want it. And the smile line, let's get rid of it. Then we'll get straight down to retouching. So right here inside my retouching, I'm going to do my frequency separation for the face. Just push it to 100%, right? Add a little high frequency. Then do my neutral gray leveling and my neutral gray effects. I think this is too much because of this area. So just bring it down. Bring it down a bit. Add some contour to the image. Beautiful. Okay, then I'm going to come straight down here and do the same thing for the body. Now, because of the blemishes, tiny blemishes I'm still seeing around this area, what I'm going to do is I'm going to still use my AI skin retouch, put it somewhere in the center so that it even look at the image a bit better and retouches it a bit better for us. So this is the before, this is the after. Then I'll go straight down to my skin tone and maybe make a selection of something light and bring it down. Beautiful. Okay, do I really need the skin tone? I think I'm going to maintain it like this and just blend the skin tone so that it has a uniform color right there. Then I'll get down to my makeup, enhance my shadow, and maybe a little bit of the highlights. So I'll get that dodge and burn effect. Then enhance my lips makeup and enhance my eyebrows. So I think I need the lips to darken down a bit more. So I'll go into my masking, go to my lips over here, and just reduce the exposure on the lips, maybe by 13. So I just need it to come down in brightness so that I will get that dark lips effect. Beautiful. And once I'm done, I'll get into the background over here. Excuse me. Get into the background, go to retouch and enhance background. And after I'm done doing that, I'll go to the hair area. Let's find our hair. Yeah. Oh, sorry. I clicked on the wrong thing. It's not enhance. We just need to clean it up, not enhance. Then get back in here to the hair and maybe select a dark hair and bring it down a bit. Soften the hair out and clean the hair part. So let's see the magic that it does. Papali. Okay. Lele what? Ki. Fun. Funny. This happened. Wait. I want to Peter go to the go. Yeah, pick a bat set. What are the movements? All right, so we are done, and this is the final result. I think we're actually going to work with this. So let me show you, let me keep it side by side so that you see exactly how much we've done. So this is the before and this is the after. So looking at it, I think I need to remove the stray hair, then darken down the background a little bit. So just bring down the exposure, just like that. So that once you stay here, you are good to go. So this is our before. This is our after. Amazing picture we'll have right here. So before I leave you, if you have not yet participated in the global Kumoo preset challenge, you are about to miss something very, very huge. I believe by now you definitely must have seen us post it. So the first winner goes with a $300 voucher and a free 1,000 credits. I know you wouldn't want to miss that, and a whole lot of other prizes. You can as well go to our official page and you will see the whole details right there. If you want to register, go to the description of this video. You will see the link to register for for that particular challenge, and it's going to be ending very, very soon. So depending on when you see this video, I wish you luck. See you on the next one, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any other video that will drop here. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.